Hi, Paul here with Diode Dynamics, and today we're talking about LED bulb fitment. Now, over the years, there's been a lot of different things people have done to get these to fit properly. And that's because a factory bulb is really quite small. Fitment becomes an issue because LEDs require a lot more to get them to work versus just a simple connector with that tungsten filament. So, how has this been done? Well, you've probably seen some pretty wild examples, but just pointing out some traditional ones. You have some bulbs that just have a metal heatsink basically attached to the base, and it might have a driver connected. There's also bulbs that have a fan in the base, whether it's enclosed or not. This one just has a fan mounted, and again, that makes it a lot bigger. Now, that might fit a lot of applications, but there will be a lot more where just because this is so much taller than the original incandescent bulb, or takes up more room on the sides, it might not fit everything where you want it. Another way around this is, people got pretty innovative to solve this problem. These braided heat sinks came on the market, whether it's braided or a flexible piece of metal. The idea is you can put it right into the headlamp assembly and then just kind of shove these out of the way to get it all to work. Well, it's not clear how much you need to spread these or how much dissipation they're going to get if they're all shoved in there. It's interesting. Nowadays, the top products on the market are generally really small on the base, and then they still move the drivers externally in order to be more efficient. The drivers take up electrical power and generate heat, so if we can move those to the side, it's easier to run the bulb with higher power. Top players on the market, the GTR Ultra 2 for example, is going to have a larger base, which is quite a bit bigger than the original bulb. And it'll have that external driver along with a pretty long wire to get connected in the lamp. We also have the new Morimoto 2-stroke 4.0, and this has a smaller base, but on the website they do say that they supply some dust caps in case this becomes too big. So it might not fit everywhere, and again, we have that external driver. It's not too dissimilar to the Diode Dynamics SL1. This product's been on the market for about 6-7 years, but it's still very consistent in terms of construction. You can see just how comparable these two products are with the overall size and look with that external driver. The idea is you plug it in, you can shove this out of the way, but still, it's just a lot when it comes to an LED bulb. Looking back at the original halogen, you can see the SL2 Pro from Diode Dynamics is a huge jump in technology to get better fitment. This bulb is directly plug and play. You don't have any external wiring, any external drivers to mess with. We don't need to send you zip ties in the box because there's nothing you need to worry about. It plugs directly in. And although the top of the bulb is bigger, that's inside the headlamp. It's fine. The bottom is only slightly bigger than that original bulb. Now, of course, we're not saying guaranteed fitment for 100% of applications, but this will fit without any issue in the majority of the applications on the market today without any modification. And without those wires attached, it becomes so much easier to actually put this bulb in and out, simply plug in that wire connector just like your original bulb. So just taking a look at how the SL2 Pro is designed with that compact wireless shape compared to this huge jumble of wires that's the old technology on the market, you can see how the SL2 Pro represents a real step up in technology and features. You can find out more about the SL2 Pro at diodedynamics.com, and you can purchase it there or from a dealer near you. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us, and thanks for watching.